Good morning, Narayan. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. So, how was your visit yesterday?
It was time consuming, sir. But otherwise,
What
but
happened?
the thing is, without meeting the owner, sir, I mean, I was feeling, sort of uneasy. I've been marketing his property for the past 2 weeks, but not been able to meet him. So that, and he was sort of, I wanted to find out also because only once you see the person in face to face, you'll understand. So that's what I did, sir. I took some time, waited yesterday, and had met him, had the understanding of commission. Anyway, was agreed on phone, but then face to face, finally it
True.
happened.
Correct.
But anyway, sir, he was a genuine customer only. But just that clients are still uneasy or they don't want to meet. I mean, I would want to meet an agent who wants to market my property, sir. I don't know why people don't want to
Where
meet
is the
the agent
property
who wants
actually? Where is the property?
Porvory.
Okay. You can talk to Gautam. No, he's from that side, so he may have some client for that property.
Buyers, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just compiling the record.
See, you have made your visiting card.
No, I have not.
See, there is one brokers group from North Goa. There are around 250 brokers, but you need a visiting card to get added in that group. Otherwise, you don't allow get added in that.
All right.
Very strict group.
Just note it down. I'll note it down.
So once you make the visiting card, I will post that visiting card in that group and ask them to add you.
All right.
Okay. Oh, I see. That's good. And there is, even in Bangalore, there is one group who has to, talk to the admin.
Yeah.
And then give his profile over the phone.
Yeah. In this group, even if you put good morning message, they'll remove you out.
Correct.
You have to be very careful.
True. No forwards, nothing. Only business.
Nothing.
Only business.
Even property, more than 3 photographs, you cannot post. Maximum 3 photographs. Otherwise, you make a collage and post it.
Correct. That is also good. Good practice.
Discipline.
I also do that. I'm a group admin for about at least, I think 3-4 groups. In one of the groups, one guy recently, I think in Karnataka group, correct. Recently, he posted some two-wheeler franchisee opportunity. I removed him. Then he came on personal this thing. I said, "Why did you remove me?" and all I asked. I said, "No, that's a real estate group. You are talking about two-wheeler and all that, and what has that got to do? So you could have given me warning." He said, "You should have read the group rules." So it went on, and then finally he requested. He said, "Please don't remove me. I'm into real estate only. You put me on." Then I started sending him that links of joining the training and all those things. The guy is still not done. But he's a young chap. But then he apologized and he said, "I will not repeat this and all that." Then I re-added him again. And then that is the time I learned that when I sent him the join invitation link, he's not able to join. Once you are removed, you want to go back with that link and join, it won't accept.
Somebody has to add you. Admin has to add you.
Yes, correct.
Now even Gautam's card, I was trying to add in that Gautam to that group. He's not adding him because his address is showing as Bangalore on the card. Remax says reality.
Okay.
So I told him his other address is Goa. He's not listening to me.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, then he should talk to him.
Yeah, I'll talk to him.
See, my registered office is Bangalore. My head office is Bangalore. Let him say like that, and then say that I'm a resident of Goa, and he should probably send him Aadhaar card or something of Goa. Then I think it will happen. Yeah. We had a person by name Mahesh M. Junior. Remember?
Yeah.
Do you remember that person? Mahesh Junior.
What happened to him?
All of you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
He's not been attending about now since I think he attended some 3 or 4, I think 3, 4 mentorship programs. After that, he was not attending.
The same one who sits on that executive chair, right?
Huh? Yeah. Correct. Same guy. Executive chair. Then I asked him to change the photograph and all that, and then he changed. Right. Then some 4, 5 mentorship program he attended, and then he didn't attend after that. So I tried contacting him over phone. Both the phones which he had were switched off, and none of the WhatsApp messages were getting replied. Then I sent Savita because he happens to be very close to our office. So I told Savita one day, that was on Saturday. I asked her, go and check out what happened. Why is he not coming? Go find out. So she went and found out. Nobody at home. And the owner of the house came out, and he also said he also was surprised as to what happened. The entire family is not there. And he is suspecting that he's no more.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Why? What happened?
He was actually suffering from some sickness. He was telling me, I'm going for dialysis, kidney problem, I think. He was going for dialysis and all that. And once or twice he could not climb up our 2 stairs, office. Ours is in 2nd floor. And we don't have a lift. So he has to climb up. So he was, second time when he was trying to climb up, he could not climb, it seems. This is news from Savita. I have not met him personally, only through Zoom I have been meeting him. So then he also told me that he was not keeping well and all that, but he is improving. And he came from some Hyderabad or some other town to this place. And all of a sudden, this is the news.
How old is he?
How?
Both young though.
How old is he?
He should be around 30, 35 or something.
And he's got dialysis, kidney dialysis,
Kidney
such a young age.
Then such an young age. So that is sad news.
Sad news.
Sad news. And we didn't know about this, and just realized that something serious happened. That's why, I sent Savita. Just, if he was very far, probably I would not have sent her. I told her, just close by, just go find out what's happening. So she went and discovered all these things after that.
The suspect or is confirmed news, sir?
It's not confirmed news because, nobody at home, right? Family, wife is not there. He had 2 children and all that. And, none of them are there and no news. And the phones are all switched off. Mm-hmm. So the owner suspecting, but he is waiting for some confirmation from them because he went, there was some serious issue and he went to the hospital, and from there, they didn't come back at all after that. So suspecting, for confirmed news is not there. But phones are all switched off.
How did you come in contact with him initially?
With us, no. With me, what he did is, I think he has attended some Remax program earlier, maybe long back. And then one fine day, he found, he was, I think, looking in Just Dial, Remax. So in Remax, he found Remax Ace Reality Basangudi. He wanted to join Remax. There, he didn't come through training program and all that. He had a mind to join Remax, but then he wanted to be somewhere closer to his office. So he found Basangudi closer in Just Dial. Then he called up. Normally all Just Dial calls goes to Savita first. I don't receive that call. Only if she doesn't pick up, that call comes to me. Okay, so she picked up thinking that it's a normal, regular call and all that. And then he said that I'm interested to join Remax. So then she said, okay, you contact Mr. Sridhar, this is his number and all that. And then he contacted me after that. After that, he called me. Then I made him, at that time, I think Sahil's webinar was scheduled in the next 2-3 days time or something. So I made him attend that, and I made him attend one of the mentorship program to attend the first day. Then after that, he decided. Then Saturday he called me. No, Friday he called me. Saturday he attended the program. Monday he attended my program. Monday afternoon he came and paid the money. He came to office and gave cash. And then I joined after that. Now his IDs and all are created. Everything is done. So I'm trying to find out now. This is the news. So sad about it. Sangamesh is not coming. I don't know what is the reason for him. He is not there for quite some time. I think 2-3. Yesterday was he there by any chance? Sangamesh?
No, he was not there.
Sangamesh is not there, right? Okay. So Prasad has made some good job. He's done some good job in terms of the training program.
Yes,
Subscribers. He's got 12 people subscribed just by posting that ad. I think. Did you? That's the only effort, right? You
Yes,
posted
sir.
that ad, and
Yeah.
from that ad, people saw and then subscribed.
Yes. Majorly the groups which I know, and whatever the Facebook groups which I know, and I used to post it. I posted it there.
Right.
So that's come.
In that, is it? Okay. Sudesh has got one subscription. Sudesh, from your side, one has happened. Then
Sir, these are the leads from the landing page, sir?
from the landing page, yes. See, Prasad Patki, 11 subscribers has happened. Then my this thing has happened, 18 subscribers have happened for this. So the you know that landing page, right? I think for each one of you, whoever has shown interest, I have created and sent you. So that is the.
I have not received, sir.
I sent you. See, Utpal Mehta is there here.
So, but I have not received.
You not received. Okay, I'll send you now.
Sir, I have also not received this.
But I think you didn't ask.
Okay.
I have received.
You didn't ask. Whoever has asked only I have given.
Mine also.
So could you show the landing page also once, sir?
Yeah, sure.
So what is the maximum entry, sir?
Maximum entry,
Yeah, maximum participants, sir.
100.
Okay, sir.
But let more people join. It's okay. We can have 2-3 batches if required.
Okay, sir.
Sir, Miss Sana's BO, or she's a BO, I'm not sure. The one going very aggressively on recruiting BS.
Who?
The BO from Pune, sir. Whoever is associated with that,
No,
Miss Tana.
she's not a BO. She's a trainer now. I think I just last time only I got it clarified. She is not working for that BO in Pune. She has opened a training firm of her own.
Okay,
She's doing aggressive, is it?
basically, their marketing for getting BAs is also quite aggressive in the sense
Right.
they are basically what they are doing is they give this that discount fare which is there for Remax, that 10,000 something, sir. That
Right.
they are putting it as refundable. I think that refundable means from your first sale or something they will refund or something. As there must be some catch to it, but they are saying that it is refundable and things like that.
No, which means, see, the point is he might be giving some time for them that 2 months' time they will do one sale. If they do one sale, then that is not a refundable. So they will try to help him out in lead generation.
All right, all right.
பார்த்தேன் நீ சொன்னா ஓகே நீ சொன்னா ஓகே So I'll send you after this program. I don't know where,
Yes,
because
sir.
so many links have been cleared. I've created, so I'm not too sure about it. Okay, where it is.
Fine,
Sir, these are MailChimp landing pages, but you have loaded them in Max Center. Is it that?
Because what I've done is the MailChimp, URL is big.
Okay, sir.
So I am making it as Remax URL. So I can shorten that URL.
Okay. So you can do that with any URL, sir? Can you bring it to Max Center and then shorten it into a better looking
URL
one?
You can do that. Any URL. See here.
This is the original URL, sir, but the shortened URL will look like what, sir?
Will like Remax. It will be rem.ax/ some number.
Okay, understood.
Yeah. This is Utpal.
Yes, sir.
See, I sent you. You must have got lost into that. Too many messages are coming, no, for you. So in that it would have got lost. Okay, now I'm sending you. You can create a URL yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll do that.
Okay. But it comes as Narayan. Okay, on top. But inside it is you only.
Okay.
Okay, so not to worry. And I want to tell you about the power of where do I go? Yeah. Okay, so this is what I'm showing you right now is of a spreadsheet where the OLX leads are coming. Okay, OLX leads comes based on the property being posted in that OLX. Okay, these are all leads in which I have shared Utpal Mehta also whatever leads that he has got.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for example, you see he has inquired this Irfan Sheikh has inquired for 4 BHK in Ghatkopar, Mumbai. Then this guy Mahesh has inquired for Kopa Crane, Mumbai. Okay. Then this is Bangalore.
There's one more in
Yeah, some more in Mumbai and all has come.
Navi Mumbai, yes. Kopargenne.
Navi Mumbai has come. And majority of the other things are all Bangalore, because Bangalore properties also are getting posted. Now, our friends like Nirav or Yogesh or Sudesh, I think he has given one or two, I think. Then Narayan, all these people, and then
So we
Gopinath.
can give properties to posting
Yeah.
OLX. So
Because
last time you said only for Bangalore, right?
No,
Package.
that is only 99 acres.
Acha, I didn't know about it. I can
Yeah,
give, not a problem.
only 99 acres. 99 acres. It cannot accept any other state other than Bangalore. OLX accepts.
Okay, fine.
So,
I will give today.
Yeah.
OLX you can post only from Bangalore. That was the problem. That's why
That was the problem. Yeah, that was the problem.
So, sir, even my properties also can be uploaded on OLX, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
So I will send you the details today, sir.
No, yeah, you don't send it to me. You send it to Savita.
Savita, okay.
Savita.
Send it through WhatsApp or how to send details?
Yeah, you send it to WhatsApp only, like the way you normally send photographs and then property details.
Don't send photographs to her. Just send the detail. And if you have uploaded photographs on Ace Reality, she will take it from there.
Right.
Okay.
Correct. You do the uploading in Ace Reality, and from there she will take it.
Okay.
Because that is easy for her to do it also, instead of
Yeah,
sending.
because last time we did it like that only.
Makaan.com is giving free this thing. You can upload free on the Makaan.com as many properties as possible.
Is it? They don't charge?
Yeah. Posted yesterday 7 or 8.
They don't charge, is it?
No, not a single rupee.
Oh, I see. Earlier it used to be.
And you get good inquiries from Makaan.com.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
So it's not for applicable for Bangalore, I believe. I tried that.
You tried
it's
that?
It's all India. Makaan.com is all India, not restricted.
Yeah, I know. I think it's not giving in Bangalore, I believe. I tried a couple of days back. Okay. A free listing is only for one.
Yeah.
Okay, after that they're charging it. Maybe in Mumbai, I think they're giving free of cost, I believe.
In Goa, they might be giving because Narayan is posting Goa property.
Sandeep, what is the issue with regard to your this thing? Why you are not able to upload any this thing? Property details.
So I uploaded. No, yes, reality I uploaded it, sir. Almost
how many you have done?
4 or 5 properties.
Is it?
Yeah, OLX also we have done a couple of things with Savita.
Okay. And you're getting some inquiries?
No, sir.
Not there?
No, sir.
Okay. But I think I sent you something, right?
Yeah, you sent me yesterday one. Okay, I'll speak to him. So Savita spoke to her. Spoke to him yesterday. So.
Sandeep Rahul. Are you sure yours is there?
Yeah. Yesterday also I saw it, right?
Yesterday also you saw it, right? Correct. Okay. So what is your?
There is no Sandeep Rahul site. So I have to go to Sandeep only, sir.
Sandeep only, right?
Yes, sir.
It's not coming. This is your number?
Yeah, same number, 9980.
This is your number, 9?
Yes, sir. Yeah, correct, sir. Same number.
So there are no properties uploaded.
This is in Ace Reality, sir.
Yeah, this is Ace Reality.
No, we posted. No, in the office also we posted one property. Then Kengiri also we posted one property.
I see. Okay, I'll check. I think something wrong. I'll check it out. Fine.
Yes.
Sometimes, sir, it will go in the draft. It won't go publish.
So these are my, this responses from Facebook. 20 leads as of now for the training program. Okay, there is an automatic questions set. When the questions are set, they answer back on its own. So I'm not physically present in answering all these things. So it says, "Hi Rachuri, please answer a few questions so we can get to know you better." This is the chat box message which goes from Messenger. And it says, "What is your phone number?" And he gives the phone number. So how would you like to connect with me? Then automatically this also comes. And then he clicks this and goes to my subscription page and registers there. So this is one other method of getting leads. Was your message coming like this,
Ashley and Utpal? Like this? Was it like this?
Yeah.
Huh?
And yeah, when we put it message, it comes like this. But this much details we didn't upload. I didn't upload.
What did you put actually? You just asked for some details, is it?
The only message comes to the messenger. It asks only 3 questions. I don't remember. I'll have to check.
But no, you can change the questions, right?
Yeah, we can change the questions. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the same thing that I did. I changed the questions and it is automatic. So the chat box asks a question and he answers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, another question goes to him and he answers. Okay, then finally it concludes saying that thanks for answering. See, thanks for answering. My number is this free training. Yeah, how would you like to connect with me? See, how would you like to connect with me? If he is given some other number, some other answer, he doesn't accept. So this is it. Accepting, I think Narayan, nobody has been able to create landing page. Landing page in MailChimp has not been created. I think you guys are still struggling to even send a mail. And this is a very, very powerful tool. Okay.
So you received my mail, na?
I received your mail.
Yeah.
Now start building the list.
I could not enter the contact in that.
You could not enter the contacts.
Yeah.
You have to import.
Yeah.
If you keep importing, writing one by one, it is going to be very tough. You see here, this is audience. Okay, you can add a subscriber one by one. Okay. This is add a subscriber. How did you get this? Okay, now where to go? Go to audience.
In that create.
Go to audience.
Okay.
Then there is one manage audience here. In this manage audience, you click this add a subscriber. Okay. If you click add a subscriber, you can keep adding one by one.
Okay.
But that is going to be a laborious task. Of course, you've got a staff who can do the job, but there is a simple way of doing it. The simple way of doing it is to import. The other day I showed, I imported Ashley's details, email details. Okay. If do you have contact details of yours in Excel?
Yeah.
Right now you have?
Yeah.
Right now you have?
How much?
Yeah, do you have right now?
No, right now I don't have.
Yeah, if it is there, then I would have shown you how to add it. Anybody else has got so that I can show you how to add it?
No, sir.
No one
So
has
that
got?
video you had put up, sir, that MailChimp session.
Yeah. I put up, but I think it is now under private, or only when the link is shared. It is not public because there are email IDs and phone numbers are visible in that.
I have that contact in contact list, my mobile list.
Mobile list, is it? Why in your Gmail contact list it will be there now?
Okay.
See, Gmail contact list will be there.
Yeah.
That also can be imported. You will have to go to this Gmail contact list here.
Where is that?
This one, sir. Blue round. It went up. Yeah, this one.
Contact.
This one. Right. This is the one. Contacts.
Okay.
So if you click this, you'll get the details.
So could you tell us how to automate that Facebook Messenger also, sir?
Facebook Messenger, while creating the ad, it asks for. So you have to create an ad now for that. While creating an ad.
What kind of ad? It was not a lead generation ad, sir. It was something else.
No. It's a lead generation ad. In the lead generation ad, you got two options there. I got two options when I was doing that. One was create a new form. Okay. One was the form creation. The other one was a message. In the message, you can add questions on your own. Whatever, there will be set questions which they will give. It says that hi, and that first name will be coming in within bracket, and whatever is his name, it will go as hi Vineet, nice to have you here. I think it gives some reply like that, and it says that why don't you share your number or something like that. It comes. So it's an amazing tool. Make use of it. Make use of OLX tools that we have, OLX website that we have. We can post around 500.
Sir,
500 postings we have the rights to post. I've taken for 1 year validity, but the property will be available, property listing will be available for 90 days or something. And after that, it gets expired. So if we have to refresh that, we can, then another 3 months it will be there in OLX. Anand, I think, are you using Anand, OLX and all?
So,
you're using Anand, OLX?
No, I don't have a separate account, but I'm giving the details to Savita to upload.
No, okay, you can answer in the chat box. So you can say yes, no. Okay.
Sir, I have. Sir, just can you?
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Just wanted to confirm once again, sir, that if you press click on the ad, normally a lead generation ad, it goes to a form in which there will be.
I got two options while I was creating this ad. I got two options.
Okay, sir.
Either I create a form, right?
Or
lead,
a message.
Yeah, lead only I clicked. Then I started forming all the messages, all the information. Then finally, when it came to that, how do you want the leads to be contacting you? It gave me two options.
Okay, sir.
So one was the new form or the existing form which I have already created, or you can go for messages. Then I opted for messages.
And this you created through the ad center, sir, or through the ad manager, sir?
No, that create ad only, the same thing. That long messages. The first time when I showed you all, you remember I got stuck at some place. You remember when I was entering in Chandrasekhar's Facebook, first time.
Yes.
Which I think you guys did in some other way, but I was teaching you in the that way. That is, go to. Okay, I'll show you this.
Ad manager. Go to ad manager, sir, and from there.
No, not even ad manager. No.
Create a campaign.
I go here in the Facebook. Okay. And then there is manage ads here. Okay, I go manage ads. No.
Just a second, sir.
Yeah.
Screen share is still shut.
It's not visible.
Screen is still in, sir.
No, sir, it is visible.
Yeah.
And now it's visible, sir.
Then, I went to,
okay.
See, this is, okay, I'll start again from the beginning. Facebook. Then you come here. You click this right hand side, not the notification one, right side there's a drop down option where you have got pages and all that. Okay. Then there is one button called Manage Ads. You need to create that. Manage Ads. Click that, and then this page comes. Okay. When this page comes, then you click this, and Ad Manager comes here. I'm going through a lengthy process, but so somehow this is more comfortable for me. Then I create this create ad here.
Understood.
Okay. Now this is the one which is now my ad is running right now. Cost per result is about 6 rupees 44 paisa. Okay, the amount spent is about 186 rupees. And I've got 20. So you, Ashley, you told me that I can click this to see the results, right? Go on Facebook here.
Yes, sir. Yes.
But it doesn't give me any information here. It doesn't give me any information here.
No, so there is
second.
There is
not there. You click the lead generation one, sir. Click.
Which one? Click this one. This one.
Now here on Facebook
No,
now you already clicked, sir. Now they're on Facebook is
no, on Facebook is there. No, this if I click.
So, yeah.
There's no
second one. Bottom
yes,
one.
Sir.
This
so
one.
It was showing, sir.
Where?
It was showing.
It's showing, sir.
Results it is showing. Yeah. Result. Oh, this one.
No, it was showing, sir. Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, but where? How
Sir, there is some issue about permission to manage the page. Even I had a similar issue that day. I had 3 leads, but the leads name were not opening. But then I somehow sorted it out. There is some permission you require to have as an admin of the page. Only then the leads are visible.
So you again
why can't you download it? Sir, can you just click that once again? It came, no, sir? The download came. Can you just click that on Facebook once again, sir?
Yeah. The second one.
Second, download by date range.
No, it will not open. It will not open. Unless you see on top it is given here. Only page admins can download leads. There is some issue about that administration.
You can contact your page admin. But I am the page admin, no?
Yeah. Even you are page, but there is some setting which is there.
Okay, sir. I'll tell you, sir. In that page which you have created, sir, maybe you have not set your account as the admin, sir. Has anybody else created this page for you, sir?
No.
Did anybody else?
No, it's me only.
Okay, sir. Then I think it is the setting in the page only, sir. That there are different roles which you can assign. So by mistake, maybe the role has gone from admin. Editor, you'll have to change back to admin, sir. That is in your page. What is it called, sir?
Yeah,
I'll have to find. I'm not sure, sir. What there is a place, sir, where you assign. You can assign different admin to editor, sir.
Okay. So Gopinath, Manjunath, and all are not talking at all. Gopinath, Manjunath.
Sir.
Hello, sir. You guys are not talking. You guys are not speaking anything. So how will solutions come to you?
I am observing, sir.
Observing, only observing. So what are the difficulties? What are the challenges?
I'm a good listener, sir, instead of talking.
No, what are the challenges you are facing? All that if you share only, solutions will come, right? So this is the forum to discuss all that and give us, let me know. Otherwise, you one day in advance, you can chat with me. You can send me, all the questions, all the problems that you are facing. Because during this forum, I will come with solutions.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
My query is only how to generate leads, sir.
How to generate leads?
Because I posted 12.
Yeah. What kind of activities that you have done? What have you done in trying to generate leads? What all things you have done?
No, I posted in Facebook. I posted in Remax Ace Reality. I posted in through groups. Facebook page. I created a page and I posted.
Are you there
So
in
these are the
Karnataka Remaxers group? I think you are there, right?
Yes, I'm posting there also.
Karnataka
So whenever I create a yes,
Karnataka Remaxers
all the groups I post.
Okay.
Yes,
Then,
sir.
yeah, and you are using even Remax CRM.
Sir.
Remax CRM. That CRM.
Yes, sir. I
where
posted there.
You can post
Yes,
the reel and it goes
I
to
posted 5.
5 of not Ace Reality.
Yes, sir. No, there also I posted the CRM also. Both the places, sir.
Both the places. Okay. Fine. You've done your part. How many properties you have posted?
CRM I posted 5.
Okay. Is it the same property you have posted in Ace Reality also?
Yes.
And has it been posted even in OLX?
OLX I didn't post it yet, sir.
Okay. You don't post it. You ask Savita to do that. She will do that job. Okay.
Okay.
So you just give her those links as you know what who suggested that? Utpal suggested. Yeah.
What's up?
I think in any case, photographs are all available in Ace Reality website.
Yeah.
She will download.
Means last time I had sent her the photographs. She told that now in future don't send me the photographs. I'll download it from Ace Reality. That's what Savita told me.
Okay, but one issue she was facing is that which floor and all those details are not coming to her.
Yeah.
Which floor and
so that I have taken care now.
Yeah, so provide full details. I think maybe one posting when it is being done, better get to know from Savita as to what all things has to be given. You note down.
So she has given a questionnaire. That questionnaire needs to be answered.
Yeah, do you have that? Can we just share it with everyone?
It is there. Yeah, I'll see. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Sir, I had taken the paid package from OLX, sir. The 200 leads.
You've taken leads, is it?
Yes. Now for my different organization builder. Now I used to post that, but not much verified leads. There are many inquiry leads, but not the genuine leads.
Okay.
I myself used to post ads in OLX. I mean, every 7 days, I used to refresh.
Okay.
So instead of repost, I used to do refresh.
This was when? Can you tell me? They have improved a lot in the last 6 months. Are you aware of that?
Which one, sir?
OLX has improved a lot in the last 6 months.
Yes, sir. I know one guy, Pratap, who is a business development manager in OLX.
Yeah. No, but your experience is prior to 6 months or after in this 6 months?
No, prior to 6 months only. That last.
So I said because earlier even OLX was all junk leads only we were getting. Earlier even I never used to trust OLX.
Correct, sir.
They have improved in the last 6-8 months.
Okay.
Yeah, they have refreshed. They are now competing very strongly with 99 acres.
But when I search for properties in OLX, most of the properties are posted by agents only, sir. So you're saying that they are owners, and everyone have posted more than 3-4 properties.
And they are posted as owners only.
Yes. Because
there is a limitation for posting owners also. I think if owner cannot post more than 6 properties or 10 properties like that, they will have some cap.
Okay.
Some cap will be. Only dealers can post maximum number of. Otherwise, these people, what they will do is they will also change the email ID and keep posting it. That you can't do anything about it. If permission for one agent is to be one owner can be posted as 10 properties. If you want to post 550 properties, all that you need to do is have 5 different email IDs. That's all. Then it becomes free. But it goes down. The free postings and all will go down actually. The platinum one, the paid one, will remain a little top. There are a lot of paid people who are there.
Yeah, which comes on the top list.
Yeah. So Gopinath, I think you and me, we have to spend a little time in understanding your issues, and then we have to quickly move on to the next step, because you have to start getting buyer leads and all that. We have to work on that. Okay. Have you registered yourself in Just Dial?
Yeah, I have, sir. I'm a paid Just from last 2-3 years.
Okay. Are you getting inquiries? Any rental leads, inquiries, and all you are getting?
No, not rentals, sir. No, I have steel and cement suppliers, Gokul traders. So I used to get many calls daily, 3 to 4 calls. I used to get inquiries for cement and steel. This is for one of my partners.
But is that going to help you for real estate business?
No. But I know that the leads.
Yeah, you need to generate a lead separately for real estate. Maybe you may have to register separately as a real estate consultant, real estate agent.
Right, sir.
So that is Manjunath.
Sir.
Interaction with you is also very less from my side, and from you also. Where are you, Manjunath?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Manjunath, can you tell me what are the challenges you are facing?
I not started this Facebook thing, sir. Today I'm starting that. Just Dial I have registered. And I got one inquiry for Just Dial commercial rental.
Just Dial, oh, you registered and you got an inquiry.
One inquiry I got.
Okay.
And I'm shortlisting properties for them, sir.
Okay. What is the requirement?
They're looking for an industrial shed near Pinya.
Near Pinya.
Yes, sir.
So our king is there here, Utpalji. He is an industrial expert.
Okay.
You take his help for that. I think last
I am also helpful for Pinya industrial.
You also have, right? Srinivas Murthy? You also have. Very good. So then, Manjunath, in the last, Manjunath, you tell me you are there since 11th May, right? 11th May,
Yes,
you are there. Right? Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you switch on your video? Okay. Manjunath, between 11th May to this thing, can you tell me what all you have learned and what do you feel? How is your, what is your future plan? Is there any ray of hope for you? What do you think you can do in this business? Can you say something?
Oh, yes, sir. I am doing from last 4 to 5 years. Very less results I have yield. So the last 1 month I got in full confidence, like I'll be able to take this as a professional career and build my career in future.
Your face is not visible, Manjunath. Yeah. Can you just, yeah, this is fine. This is fine.
Yes,
yeah, now you tell me.
Yeah, from last 4-5 years, I'm also doing as a part-time real estate. And after joining from last 1 month, I got confidence like I'll be able to achieve something big in real estate with the help of Remax.
Oh, okay. Okay. What makes you say that?
In the last 1 month, all the activities and your mentorship program and the interaction with other realtors.
Okay. So with all the group members and all that gives you some confidence. Right?
As a teamwork, we'll be able to achieve big.
Right. Very nice. Very good.
So I wanted to ask, I have posted 14 leads in Goa group total. So means I hope and just wish that all the leads are being followed up, something like that.
No, I think they're all working on that. Utpalji, I think every program.
No, means if one or two leads, 14 leads are there and 1 or 2 are left out, then it is a problem. That's what I mean to say.
No, I don't think they will leave. I don't think they will leave. They will all be noting down somewhere or the other. It's just a question of, now they are flooded with so much of activity to do. They're still in the learning stage. Naturally, there will be some late, attending to this delay in attending this. But I'm sure they will not leave it. Okay. But with your vigorous follow-up, they cannot leave it also. You are following up very well. Okay, the way you are bombarding them, the way you are asking them what is happening and all that. So definitely they will all attend to that. not to worry. Okay. But, the nurturing of the lead is what we are actually missing out. It so happens that when you get leads,
Yes, sir.
you
one
get,
of the Goa lead has already attended yesterday's program also. The name is Keshav
Dukle. Keshav Dukle. Gautam is interacting with him.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. See, the missing point is the nurturing of the leads. How do you nurture the leads? Anybody can answer. How do you nurture the leads? What do you mean by nurture? Nurturing means what?
Slowly developing into a potential client, sir.
Yes. So, we get so bogged down with our flooding of leads. So much of leads keep coming over a period of time. We fail to be in touch with some of the genuine leads, and we miss out on business.
Correct.
It is happening for every real estate person. And
only, what I do is just maintain one Excel sheet and then activity remarks. So whenever we contact the buyer, whatever the communication happens with both of us, mention that and then follow up for the next level.
Okay.
Sir, I want to make a point in this, sir, because you had covered this as the first few classes itself. How to nurture the leads. I think you had already covered it. I'll just go through it, sir. What you have covered and what I'm doing, sir.
Yeah.
Start with messages only. Sir had clearly mentioned that.
But what I'm saying
send a small message about what reality is, what what actions Remax does, or something, some advertisement of Remax, and we should continuously interact with them. That's what Sir had told.
Correct. There are a couple of things which are missing from what I have told you and what you guys are doing.
Correct.
What I have noticed is that the to-do list is not being used to the maximum potential of yours. Now, for example, Gopinath says that he is maintaining in Excel sheet. Okay. And now you tell me how many times you go back to that Excel sheet and see.
Daily, sir.
Daily you are seeing?
I can show you this. You can see this.
Can you? Okay. This is handwritten?
Handwritten, sir.
Handwritten? Okay. Now, Chandrasekhar is there? Chandrasekhar? Is he there in the group?
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Chandrasekhar, can you share your experience of writing in the book? What is writing in the book of all the leads? What has happened to you?
See, since I joined Remax, I have five to six books actually of leads. I have right now. Now I have to enter into computer actually, and I have to start connecting.
No, point is the challenges that you are facing after writing in the book. You wrote in the book, fine, very good. But after that, what kind of challenges are you facing?
See, I got some buyers. I could not able to find out the connected buyers, connected builders, or the vice versa.
Okay.
Immediately.
Right. Now
I spent a lot of time. And even a few hours to find out, but I could not able to find out.
So when I started, even I used to write on the book, the properties, but then every time I used to get a lead, I have to search properties in the books, which page I have written.
Correct. Now, what I proposed to you was the to-do list. To-do list is going to be in your mobile app, right? When you are going out in the this thing, I'll tell you the way I am utilizing the technology. It is amazing. See, I do not know when, who, at what time they will ask me any question related to real estate. When I go for a morning walk, at least every day somebody or the other is getting. Yesterday, one new person who was bought in the year 2012, one property, he has moved just about 15 days ago, it seems. Yesterday, for the first time, when we were walking, we came across each other. he was attending earlier all the association meetings. So once or twice he has seen me. So when he saw me, he wished me in the morning walk. He wished me, and then we spent some time in talking about what do you do and what do I do and all that. Okay. And he asked me some questions related to real estate. I had to just take up this and then go to the drive and pick up one link which we have already created, you know, in Mumbai. In Mumbai, he asked me something. I said, I took up this thing and I showed him one 2.9 crores Godcope or something was there. The link was available. I was able to show him. Okay. Then he asked something about retirement part of it. I just clicked that and I showed him. It is so handy, mobile. Okay. And even if you're writing in Excel, it should be in the drive, because if it is in the drive, then when you are on internet, you can open it. Supposing it is normally Excel only, you can open here also. So you must utilize the to-do list very, very effectively. And in the to-do list, the buyers list and the sellers list that I have, I'm able to match very clearly. I just go to search button. Okay. Somebody says, I want a property in Baswangudi. I just put Baswangudi in search button. I get sellers. I get, people from, BA guys also who are looking for BA positions. That one. And then the buyers also. So I'm able to immediately correlate between the buyer and the seller. And I'm able to say that, yes, for your requirement, this property might be useful. I can tell that. So the search is becoming very easy if you are putting that in to do. Okay. Next one is in the nurturing point of it, you are missing out very badly on SurveyMonkey. The SurveyMonkey which we created in the beginning, I think none of you are using it. If you are using it, they are not replying it, because for buyers and all, these are all new things. They will never give you immediate reply. But you have an opportunity. If he doesn't reply, it is very good for you. You have an opportunity to be in touch with him daily by following up. You know, every second day, every third day, you can keep on following up with him for him to submit that. So these are ways of nurturing, which we are missing out.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And then we will definitely miss out on leads. And very good leads we will be missing out. Now, when Utpal is posting in the group, right? I'll tell you another about 15 days or 20 days that will get lost. Unless that those leads are noted down in your diary or in your Microsoft to-do, it will get lost. And we will be losing out on some important buyer. I have experienced this. Chandrasekhar would have done tremendous business if he was computer savvy, because the kind of dedication he shows, I will be very proud to say that the kind of field work that he does, I don't think anybody else can match his ability of doing the field work. From morning 7 o'clock to night 11 o'clock, he is ready to be in the field to meet people. That is the capacity he has got. His only drawback is computer knowledge. Computer skills is very bad for him. He's not able to grasp that, how to do and all those things. Because of that, he is missing out on great opportunities. Now, in spite of that, if he is doing something, it is because of some memory, and somewhere he is able to retrieve information here and there, and then he is able to do that. But in the lockdown, he has been finding it very difficult. But he has learned a lot, I think, in this lockdown. What, Chandrasekhar?
Yes, sir.
So, Chandrasekhar, the other day I was telling these people that you people are very lucky, because
yes, true.
The amount of time that I am giving to all of you,
yes,
if I had given similar time to Anand and Chandrasekhar and all, they would have done wonders last year.
That's what we are astonished to know about Mr. Sridhar, what asset you have. Even we didn't know.
You didn't know about this.
Yeah. What capacity you have, we didn't know since from 1.5 years.
Yeah.
So if you have invested your time, valuable time to us, we would have done a lot of wonders.
Correct. But
And we got the vision. We got the vision. Both of us got the vision from Delhi.
Correct.
About the Remax.
True. The three things that happened was, one, I had to shift to the project. Then my son's marriage, all that kept me away. Then one more was my, surgery, health issues. So I had 3 issues which cost nearly about 9 to 10 months of mine. So because of that, this thing. So then I brought Gauri Shankar to see that whether he can do something. But I think he also went into the shell after some time. The lockdown happened and all that. But then I realized that I have to do myself. There is no other way. Then I jumped into this and dived into this and started doing it. No. Anyway, better late than never. We are now getting a lot of knowledge and information, but we have to nurture. We have to now start producing results. Now I'm seeing that some of the others are coming out and posting photographs in the group saying that my BA has made the first sale within 30 days time, right? But my BA is yet to do. So I'm worried about that. I also want that pride, no? I also want to tell that, look, my BA has done one sale, right? They are posting one woman's photograph and one female's photograph and saying that two bookings have happened today. And I'm feeling sorry about it, because what happened to my team? Why they are not performing? Why it is not happening to them? How much of learning will happen? They also have to start producing. So we need to discuss about buyer management, what kind of issues that you are facing. This buyer is telling something like this. That buyer is telling something like this. I'm facing problem in getting brokerage acceptance from this seller. I'm facing issues with this buyer, right? Narayan is opening. Narayan opens up with me. He discusses with me and he finds solutions. He says that, look, my problem is not lead generation. He has got plenty of leads in hand. His problem is inventory. His problem is inventory means then they should talk to each other. Sudesh should talk to Narayan. Gautam should talk to Narayan. We have to have, 4 people are there, no? Narayan, Gautam, Sudesh, Ashley. So, all the 4 of them should work as a team, and we need more BAs in Goa. The way, the buyer leads are there with Ashley or with Narayan or with Gautam now. Gautam, you have a good number of leads with you?
Yes, sir, I have some.
You have a good number of leads, yeah. So with that, now the issue is only inventory, which means we need more BS, because the outside brokers have to be brought in.
So basically, outside brokers don't cooperate much in Goa here. The brokers don't cooperate. So if we have more BAs, we can work as a team and help each other in converting the leads.
True, correct.
Yeah.
So they have to be brought in somehow here. That is why this effort of the training program on 12th to 14th, it is happening, right? And there are so much of income generation tools which are available within our own group. Number Prasad Patki, he was talking about how any commercial leasing person who wants interiors to be done 1 crore and above, they don't even have to fund. And if you guys get some leads on that, something, there is an income which is possible from that lead that you are going to give to Patki. Okay. And
your voice is breaking.
Sir, I'll tell you, sir, everybody have mute themselves, sir, because too many mics are open. That's why we are not
getting blocked.
That's because we don't have the bandwidth. That's because we don't have the bandwidth. Everybody mutes, and if you can avoid the video also, it is better.
Yeah, fine. Fair enough. Okay, now coming to Srinivas Murthy. Srinivas Murthy was talking about some amazing concepts. Even See, Srinivasmurthy, you were saying something the other day.
So your voice is breaking heavily, sir.
Heavily,
sir, there's some internet issue at your end.
Yeah, I think since last
There's
2
some
days.
internet issue, sir.
Yeah, since last 2 days I'm facing this. Is it same with everyone? Hello? Others are also facing the same problem? I will try to get some
Yes,
other.
sir. Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking, sir.
Oh my God.
Sir, internet issue, sir.
Internet.
Suppose we keep our videos off and let sir run the video. I'm finding that it improves. And the mics also we have to keep off, then it improves.
Yeah, let us try for 5 minutes like that. All of you mute, switch off your video and then see. Gautam, switch off. Yeah, everybody. Prasad, you also switch off. Yes. Okay. Now am I audible? Better? You can say, you can reply in chat.
Yes.
You can say
better than before.
Because again, if you unmute, then you'll have an issue. Just say yes. Huh? It is fine. Right. So, there are ample opportunities which are available. You must grab those opportunities also, which are related to real estate only. Something like interiors and all is all related to that. Keep in mind, if there is anything like that, you come across and then share it with Prasad also about this. And then let us work vigorously. There is an immediate opportunity on getting more BS and income coming out of that. That should start coming. And then if there are any genuine leads who requires more attention to a particular lead, like, in my case, for Anand, there is one buyer, sure shot buyer by name Anuradha. Okay. We both are working towards making sure somehow this deal, because we have been nurturing this lead for at least now 10 days. Every day we are sharing some property, links with her. And she, unfortunately, she has seen most of the properties that we are showing. Hopefully that the latest one that I've shown, she has not seen. But Anand, she was asking whether in this flat, that eco-friendly flat which we have shared, she asked one question: is there a banner put across on the in front, flat for sale or something like that? Did you see any banner?
Yeah, it is.
Then reply to me in chat.
It is there. The banner is put in the
banner is there.
The gate, yeah.
So that means even that she has seen, and maybe she has liked the property, but pricing was an issue. So that is why she did not proceed further. So if there is a scope for some negotiations with the owner, then we will pursue one, we'll probably arrange one meeting. Okay. You discuss with Srinivas, Mr. Srinivas, and say that there is one person who might be interested, but she has already seen your property earlier, but due to price, she has not come forward. She's still in the lookout. If you think that we can come and then, there is a scope for negotiations, you arrange one sitting between the two. Okay, where I will also be a part of that discussion. Okay, and we will see how we can try and close this deal.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So today's take home for all of you is that now this month, we need to produce results. I want somebody to say that, I have made a booking. I want people to work towards booking of flats. For that, whatever support you require, if you are not able to ask me in this group, because there is only 1 hour time that we are having here, I am available in the chat, WhatsApp messages. Everybody can privately send me a message of the challenges that you are facing and the support that you require. Okay. You tell me what you want, I will give you that support.
Sir, I have a query.
And for that, you have to be in touch with me even after the mentorship program is over. Okay. I'm not saying necessarily saying that you should pick up the call and talk to me or something like that. Unless it is emergency, you don't talk to me over the phone. But use WhatsApp messages. You know that I'm I'm always thinking about you people only, how you should succeed. So I'm always available on WhatsApp. So don't worry. This month you have to do one booking at least. Each one of you, I want you to do that. For that, let us bring the heaven to the earth and make it happen. Can you all take this challenge?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the another challenge, another thing that I wanted to know from you is whether are you all writing the goals every day? Who is not writing? Can you just message me? Every day, who is not writing? I am not writing, you can say. You know, I am not writing is IAW. Okay. IAW, I want to see somebody saying that IAW honestly. Whoever is not writing every day.
What
goals of a plan for the day, sir?
IAW. No, I'm just asking about goals. Yeah, you're not writing. IAW. I've got two, three. Then 3 I've got. Any more else? 4 I've got. 5. 5. Anybody else? 5. 6. 7. 8. 8 people have said IAW. 9. Okay, then some more. 10. Then who else? 10. So I'm glad at least seven people are still writing. Okay, 7 people are writing, 10 people are not writing. Now, I want these 7 people who are writing to just say a few words, right? After you have started writing, have you seen any difference in your life or not? In the way you are working, in the way things are moving, are you able to see some light at the end of tunnel or not? Whoever is writing. Narayan,
So
I think
I've
you're
been
writing.
doing this since very long. I have been doing this since very long.
Every day are you writing?
Yeah.
Okay.
I write it.
So
I'm writing since last 8-9 months.
8-9 months.
Yeah.
You're seeing definitely a change.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Now, I left my job after that.
Good. Narayan, you tell me, what is the change you have seen after you started writing?
Basically, before I joined this mentorship program, I never used to write. I had some goals in mind, but never had written goals. But after you told to write goals, earlier I used to work for 2 to 3 hours per day. Now, for me, even 14 hours I feel that it is not enough. Yesterday I slept at 11 o'clock after posting some properties in makan.com and all. But still, I have so many properties to be posted in different sites, so I'm not getting time only now. So I feel I'm somewhere lost. I don't know. So many things are to be done, but no time right now. Earlier I had so much of time.
These are all indications for your prosperity.
Yes, sir.
These are all the right indications for the prosperity, because this change is happening because you've started writing. It will give you, the universe will give you the workload.
Yes,
see, sir. Money will not come by magic.
I just hope everyone has seen the movie Secret.
They should see that. Yes. If you're able to see that Secret.
See the movie Secret.
Yeah. You please, when find time for that, see this movie, Google it out. You will find that.
Only 1 hour movie it is. Only 1 hour.
It is a 1 hour movie. See that. It is Secret.
The Secret.
The Secret. Yeah. Wonderful movie it is. It will tell you, watch that movie. Okay. Now, whoever is not writing, 10 people who have not started writing, you start writing from today. Okay. Do not take this lightly. Start writing from today. And you see the changes will happen in 21 days time. For you, the universe will start giving you things. It will find its own way. It is his problem, universe's problem. You don't worry about how the money will come to you. Universe has to give you the money, but you start doing your job. Okay, surrender yourself and then just keep writing this. In 21 days, things will change for you. Okay, see you. All the very best.
Yeah.
Sir, I just figured out that Facebook thing. I'll just show you that admin thing. What you were.
Yeah, yeah.
missing.
Show me that.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You open your.
You want me to open?
Yeah, open your Ad Manager.
Okay.
I
Right.
mean that.
I'm in the Ad Manager right now.
Yeah. Click on that and click Business Settings.
Okay. Right. Business settings. Yes.
Click this Remax Ace Reality. Yeah, there is one arrow. No, you click this arrow on the right hand side. Next to on the right hand side, there's one arrow next to Remax Ace Reality. Yeah, down.
Okay.
There's one arrow. Yeah. Click that. Come down. There is one down. Come
See,
down on this.
I'll do one thing. I'm going to give you remote control activity. Okay.
Yeah.
Remote control I'm going to give you. You can come here. Narayan Naik. I'm giving you remote control. Yeah, I've given you remote control.
From Zoom?
Yeah, from Zoom. Now you can start working on this thing.
This page is not coming down.
You want this page to come down. Okay.
Yeah. Drag it down.
Admin access, manage page. Acha, this has to be on.
Yeah. Now save it.
Save it. Okay.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah. Now you will get leads.
Right. Great.
Yeah.
Did you know this? I didn't know this actually.
No, I was struggling to get those leads, but then I figured it out somehow. So now what happens? Mr. Sridhar Venkatraman has got access for Remax Ace Reality admin here.
Correct. Agreed. Got it.
Yeah.
Now, no, did you all know something that I just now did something, I gave control to access. So it is possible even in Zoom. We don't have to go to any desk.
Correct.
In Zoom itself, we can do that. So, all right. So we'll wind up for today.
I have just posted in our Remax group one audio of 1 hour from Louis A.
Audio, is it?
Yeah. It's very wonderful. 1 hour audio.
Video is better.
No, this is 101 power thoughts.
Okay. All right.
Very good.
So how was the landing page which I made?
Landing page which you have done, there are some improvements to be done. It is all centered and all that. It is not looking great. But you have made an attempt for that. You deserve appreciation from me.
Yes, sir.
But you really, need little more, refining on that to be done.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think you will do that because I don't have to tell you at all, because when you start working, you will definitely do well. You have done amazing things in Design Center, which I have still not seen all those things. You have explored and you have done fantastic job. The kind of output that is coming is really simply superb. What do you all say, others?
Yes, sir.
Very good. He's coming out with brilliant, collaterals. And you see how this is going to be well accepted. Once Ashley also gets access, he will also start doing it. I know. Ashley
he's already got the login credentials, no?
Only the webmail.
No. That Max Center credentials have still not come to them.
No, Max Center is you have to generate after you get the email ID, no?
Yes, sir.
No. See, normally what happens is that in the mail itself, they will get one welcome mail.
No. Yeah. That is only, no, it doesn't come, sir. First, it doesn't come. You have to go to Max Center and you say registration. Once you say registration, put your email ID. That email comes to the inbox. It doesn't come first.
No, but correct. We tried with somebody. What happens is that this email is not found, is what the message comes.
So when I did it like that, it came directly to my inbox.
Actually, you try.
I'll give it a try, sir.
Actually, you have received the email ID, na?
Yeah, I got the email ID and login password. So I'll try.
CRM password also you have got.
No, that I have not got.
CRM you have not got?
Only the webmail ID I have got. and the password.
CRM is not required for Max Center. Email
Yeah,
ID is
CRM
enough.
is not required for Max
Okay, so
Center.
I'll go to the Max Center and try with the email ID and see how it can be registered.
See, I'm now putting a message in URL remax.net/apps. This is what you have to put it in the address box.
This is for the Max Center.
Yeah, this is for Max Center.
Oh, right, sir. Right, sir.
And you have got a registration option there. You try putting your Remax email ID and see whether it works.
All right, sir. I'll try and let you know.
If it works, you message me so that I can advise others also to do the same thing.
Right, sir. I'll put it in the group, sir.
Put it in the group. See you then. See you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.